Maquoketa is one of a kind. There's only one Maquoketa any place in the world. We have some great scenery in this beautiful part of the world that we live in.
You can get anywhere and go anywhere in a short amount of time and find someone who's got a smile on their face.
Go, go, go!
My favorite thing about Maquoketa is the community, creating the village that will help us raise our family.
It's time for the Osterhaus huddle.
Well, happy Thursday, everybody. My quote this morning is, "Go the extra mile. It's never too crowded." We had a patient comment just that they never thought that they could come into a pharmacy, get their medications, and a hug at the same time. And I thought that was very meaningful about the level of care that we all provide.
Ann and I moved to Maquoketa in 1965. There were 4 pharmacies or drugstores in Maquoketa at that time, and we bought the least successful, and we're the only one left.
All of my siblings and I grew up working in the pharmacy, and it really has been a family pharmacy from the get-go. That feeling of family, of taking care of each other, is really what our whole professional lives have been founded on. We really do care.
Pharmacist really is that last safety measure before a medicine gets into a patient's hands. That is such an important piece in healthcare. We're the most accessible healthcare provider, and that allows us to answer a lot of questions.
Like you've done it for 15 years, right?
Yeah. I know the aisle.
I wanted to touch base on the supplement that the acupuncturist recommended. We had talked about the magnesium supplement that is safer for you, and I think
You got to listen to the patients, you got to talk to them, and you have to be willing to accept the responsibility, and you be the patient's advocate.
If you don't have a local pharmacy in your town, it's really a way that there could be a lot of gaps in care. If we were not here, patients might have to travel 30 minutes outside of town to get to a place that provides their medications.
Hello, how are you today?
Hi, doing well, thank you.
Having somebody that knows your situation, knows your family history, it's such an incredible tool to be able to have that support system.
I'm a licensed nursing home administrator at both of our long-term care facilities here in Maquoketa. With our populations, we have many changing medications. We have many times that people will need extra medical equipment.
And Sandy, if that shooting pain persists, he can increase his gabapentin. He's at a pretty low dose of it still.
By being able to work with Osterhaus, we're able to have any of our medications delivered right to our care centers. It's crucial for our whole community. We're going to have a new skilled admission over on the hill. Current doctor here in town with MFC will be able to just transition her over that way.
Wonderful. We service Jackson County, and we offer delivery in town, and if we didn't provide that, many patients would have the inability to receive their medications.
We have a lot of customers that we deliver to around town. They're just so happy that they don't have to scramble in order to get their medications. They know that we're going to deliver them to them, and we're going to get them to them on time.
Maquoketa knows the Osterhaus family. They've been donors and community caretakers. Bob is one of those guys who's interested in making sure that the community's taken care of. He owns the Maquoketa Art Experience, which is dedicated towards showcasing many local artists.
Having both a place to display art, have performances of both theater and music, it's turned into what is really the new center of downtown.
What we've hoped to do is pique the community's interest in activities of this type. I feel a sense of pride and happiness. It cheers me to watch the people come in and view something, to make a special trip to see, to participate, and to volunteer.
If you give back, you're going to get back even more. We really have made it a priority to be integrated into the community in any way that we feel like we can have a positive impact.
Pharmacy's been good to us, and we've had lots of opportunities because of it. We're also part of the great Maquoketa community.
plan on making Maquoketa my home the rest of my life, and I want to continue to see it be a better place.